Welcome to the training series for the new SmartEvals Wizards. This series will showcase how with just a little bit of magic, you can view reports fast and easy. So, let's get right to it. On your dashboard, under the menu header section, you will see our new Wizards tab. As you can see, we have several wizards to choose from, and each wizard has a standard layout that can be broken down into 3 columns. In the left column, you will see the style of report you wish to see, whether it's your current classes or completed classes. Next, you can select an option from either the middle column, which represents the time frame, or the column on the right, which displays the division. The time frame options for current classes are broken down into various stages of the semester, whether they are classes that are open, closed, future classes, or classes waiting for release. And then for completed classes, they're displayed by academic or calendar year. If you choose the division option, you'll be able to see all courses and departments for a specific division at your institution, such as the School of Business or School of Engineering. Once your selections are made, a report is generated. When viewing the report, columns on the left contain icons that will allow you to do a couple of things. You can choose Edit, which generally allows you to update either class or student information. Preview to see the student's view of the evaluations. The Reports icon will direct you to our standard customized report, while the multi-chart icon is ideal for people that prefer having visual reports to better understand their data. Next, we have our Team Taught icon, which will show if multiple instructors are teaching the same class. And then we have our cross-listed course icons, which we will cover later in this video. The remaining columns represent specific information such as course name, course section, instructor, and more. You can change the display of which columns you wish to see by clicking the Customize button in the top right and making your selections. If you need to download the report to share a copy, click the Export button, which can provide a variety of formats. At the top of the table, you can see additional text boxes, which are another way to filter information. For example, if you're looking up a specific instructor, you can type in the instructor's name in the text box. The table has now been filtered based on that text entry. Now let's take a moment to answer some frequently asked questions that you may come across. How can I view all evaluation beginning and end dates on this report? First, make sure this option is selected when customizing your report. Simply choose your evaluation period, and you can view all of the classes with the same beginning and end date. If you look at the top, you'll see the title has changed in order to display the evaluation period information. There are also additional button options to choose from. These buttons will change depending on the status of the evaluation period. The next question. How can I view a report with specific parameters, such as course level or course type? At the bottom of each table, you can make a selection to filter your results for all of your reports. Once your selections are made, the filter has been applied, and you can view the same parameters when switching to different reports or wizards. And finally, we'll refer back to the topic of how to view cross-listed courses. Let's say there's a class titled English 300, Shakespeare in France, and it's taught by the English department. Now let's say a French student also registers for the same class, but under French 300. Essentially, it's having one instructor teaching the same group of students, but some of the students are registered under a different class. Now when you see the parent icon, it will indicate that the department owns the class, whereas the child icon indicates the department doesn't own the class. On all of our reports, you can roll up the results of the parent into the child course, and vice versa, or you can split them out individually. So, with a flick of a wrist, or a click of a button, viewing reports is easy.